Hello, everyone. Today, I want to share a story about the school I admire. There is a school that I have always dreamed of visiting. Every time I imagine it, I can almost hear the cheerful laughter of students and feel the peaceful atmosphere around the campus. The school is surrounded by beautiful green trees. In the morning, the warm sunlight shines through the windows, making every classroom feel bright and welcoming. As students walk through the gate, they greet each other with warm smiles. No one seems lonely because everyone is treated with kindness and respect. I slowly walk through the quiet hallway. The walls are decorated with colorful artwork, inspiring quotes, and photographs of students celebrating their achievements. The library catches my attention first. It is peaceful and filled with thousands of books. Some students are reading quietly, while others are studying together. It feels like a place where dreams begin. Then I stop for a moment and ask myself, what makes this school so special? I realize the answer is not the buildings. In the last story, we walked around the beautiful school. Now let me introduce the people who make this place unforgettable. As I enter one classroom, I saw a teacher standing in front of the students with a gentle smile. She didn't simply teach from a textbook. She listened carefully. She encouraged every student to speak. And whenever someone made a mistake, she never criticized them. Instead, she smiled warmly and said, "Don't worry, every mistake is another step toward success." Those simple words filled the classroom with confidence. The students also inspired me. They helped each other without expecting anything in return. They studied together, laughed together, and celebrated every small achievement. There was no competition to become better than others. Instead, everyone wanted to grow together. As I watched them, I finally understood something important. A great school is not built with bricks. It is built with kindness, patience, and people who truly care. But there was still one more thing that made this school different from every other school I had ever imagined. After spending the whole day at this wonderful school, I finally understood why I admired it so much. In the afternoon, I watched students playing football, practicing music, painting beautiful pictures, and speaking English with confidence. Everyone looked happy, not because learning was easy, but because they loved learning. Before going home, the principal shared one simple message with all the students. He said, "Success is not measured by how much you know, but by how kind you are and how willing you are to keep learning." Those words stayed in my heart. As I walked toward the school gate, I turned around one last time. I smiled quietly. I realized that the school I admired was more than just a beautiful place. It was a place where dreams were encouraged, where friendships became family, and where every student believed that tomorrow could be even better than today. Maybe one day, I will visit a school just like this. Until then, I will keep learning, keep growing, and never stop believing in my dreams. Thank you so much for listening. See you in the next story. Have a beautiful day.